Hey guys, what's up? This is Art with Art's Mobile Auto Repair, and today's video is going to show you how to replace the alternator in a 2005 Scion TC. First thing you want to do is remove the ground wire. Next thing, you remove the 10mm nut that's on top. Remove that. Then remove the clip. Remove the rubber cushion. And you just press it right here and you pull it out. Then there was a 10mm bolt right there. You remove that. Then you grab and you remove this clip right here, just like so. So it's loose, so you can move the harness away, just like so. After that, there is a 19mm. Thing you want to do is use a 19mm. You can see it right there. Put a ratchet and put a shooter bar on top of it, and with your left hand, pull it basically clockwise. Pull it towards you, and then with the right hand, just remove the belt off it. Make sure it doesn't come off the other pulleys. It's going to be a pain in the ass to put it back. What I do is remove the 14mm bolt right there. There's going to be a 12mm bolt underneath. So that 12mm bolt was right under this pulley. So it's right under the pulley, somewhere around right here, right under it. Easiest way, just like regular, take a ratchet, 12mm, this will actually fit right under, right here, and you will have enough leverage to take it loose. And then what I did, I just grabbed the socket, I put my hand in there, right underneath, and I just turned it with the socket. Wear gloves because it might be slippery a little bit. After that, your alternator should be loose and ready. And the car is running great. That's the whole installation of how to remove and replace the alternator on a 2005 Toyota Scion TC. If you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like the video, share, and comment. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.